Rolls-Royce Boat tail, $28 million for one. $28 million for one. As of today, one Doris is 1,580 naira multiplied by $28 million. That will be 44,240,000,000 naira for one motor. How much are the fine? Now, if you get 1 year savings plan for this motor, it means say every day you must save nothing less than 121,205,479 naira 46 kobo. Now you must save every day for a whole year to be able to buy this car. How much are the fine? I know you understand. And this car, they produce only three. Only three of this vehicle were produced. And they bought them, all of them. How much are the fine? You like the way I edit my videos? I can teach you for just 10,000 naira per video editing tutorial. So if you want to learn, come to my DM. I want to learn video editing. 10,000 naira per video editing tutorial. Sharp.